Hello, my name is Fernando Valero Cárdenas. My day routine is a what at sit eat in the morning. I brush my teeth. A take a shower. At I high breakfast. My usual breakfast is fruity. They I leave my house to go to work. At day is what my day leads goods by. Sometimes I play soccer. At spray time with my family. Is is pay high or Sundays. I also travel a lot because of work. Bye.